Hey guys! As we all go about our busy schedules and busy lives, it's important to take some time out of your day to cook a nice homemade meal, which is definitely healthier than eating out or ordering in. So close those DoorDash accounts. Just kidding. In this video, I'm going to reveal a 5 to 10 minute secret, nutritious, tasty meal that will get your energy thriving. A great, tasty, nutritious meal that only takes 5 to 10 minutes. And it will blow your mind. We start off with pulling out 2 tilapia fillets from the freezer and thawing them overnight. Dump the fillets on a plate. We now bring our main spice, cumin. We cover the 2 fillets with cumin. Remember, the fillets have 2 sides. Be generous with your cumin. Rub it in to give an even better flavor. Bring your bottle of olive oil and pour it gently over the tilapias. Remember again, there are 2 sides to the fillets. The olive oil is very important to prevent the fillets from drying. Rub it in to get a nice, even distribution. Bring some paper towels and cover the tilapia fillets. Dump your tilapia fillets in the microwave. Cook for approximately 5 minutes, depending on the microwave. Remember, clean your microwave. Make sure to cook your tilapias until the edges turn a nice, beautiful brown. Every once in a while, remember to check your fillets. Don't forget to cover your tilapia with paper towels, or else they'll pop and really dirty your microwave. Be careful, the plate might be hot. If the plate is too hot, then use an oven glove. These particular tilapias seem to be the stubborn kind. Needs a bit more cooking. Remember, the plate might be hot. And here we can see that the edges of the tilapia are brown. Using a fork, you can check that the insides of the tilapia are a nice white and not pink. Set your tilapia aside and prepare the second stuff to cook. Of course, everybody knows the rice takes too long to cook, so there is another option. Ready to eat in 90 seconds. Make sure you poke and squish the packet before placing in the microwave. As we know, presentation and aesthetics in cooking is important, so make sure you get a new plate. Make sure to handle your rice carefully. It may pop, it may steam, so be careful when opening this. Place your rice on the plate. Spread out your rice with a fork. Make sure to leave it sit for a bit so the moisture evaporates. Bring your tilapia fillets and place over the rice. Make sure to reconnect the tilapia to make it look like it's one piece. You can also add some of the juices to make it nice and moist and add flavor to the rice. It's hot. Now bring a cutting board and a knife. Cut 2 cucumbers. Cut off the edges of the cucumber and proceed to cut them in discs. Be careful of your fingers. Place the cucumbers on the plate in a very aesthetic fashion. A bit of salt definitely gives the cucumber a beautiful flavor. Bring a tomato and cut it up. Obviously, use a serrated knife. Place the tomatoes on the plate. Again, aesthetics and presentation is everything. Add a douse of salt. And now you're ready to eat. As you can see, this nutritious, healthy meal was prepared in under 10 minutes. I know what you're thinking, your mind is blown. And there you have it. A beautiful, aesthetic, well-presented, nutritious, healthy meal cooked at home for busy schedules. I think it needs a bit more salt. Well, see you guys later.